Hey guys, I'm back from vacation and excited to show you this next project that I'm working on. I was searching on Wayfair and Overstock website, just looking for some table decor, and I saw a couple of pieces like these that I think I could try to make. Not exactly the same, but similar. Did y'all see the prices? I want to show you the technique that I used to make mine. I bet you're not going to believe what I used to make it. So let's get started. The first thing that I did was take a half yard of aluminum foil and rolled it up. Next, I began bending the foil to form a shape. Afterwards, I taped the two ends using masking tape. In order to keep the shape, I covered the foil with masking tape. Afterwards, I decided to adjust the shape a little bit. I poured a bottle of Elmer's glue and about 2 ounces of water into a bowl and mixed it together. Then I took a sheet of old newspaper and tore it into small pieces. Next, I dipped the newspaper in the glue and then placed it on top of the sculpture. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Craft Smart black acrylic paint and brush it all over the sculpture. This will enhance the gold that I'm going to add on top. Next, I'm going to take a dime size of Rub and Buff gold leaf and rub it all over. For the base, I'm going to use a small round plaque and spray it with Rust-Oleum satin black paint. Once it was dry, I added a dime size of E6000 glue as well as hot glue on top. Then I attached the sculpture. So guys, I really didn't like how you could see the paper on the sculpture, so I experimented with mixing gap filler with this wood glue and spreading it on top to change the texture. I let it dry for a couple of hours and then I sprayed it with Krylon's chrome metallic spray paint, and it came out like this. I hope you found this video to be helpful with a couple of different ways to make table decor. It's really cool to see what you can make with these items. Thanks guys for watching. Be sure to come back next Tuesday for another video. Have a great week.